Press and hold the 0.0/trip odometer button on the instrument cluster. Turn the ignition key to the on position, or press the start button without holding the brake, while keeping the button held down. Release the odometer button. Press the min button. Turn off the ignition, then start the car to check if the message is gone.